Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be helping my brother with his scout project for a merit badge by helping him dig his little garden that we're making. So far he has worked on making the actual place where we are going to put the plants. There's going to be two of them like this, and we're going to put them into this hole that I have dug. So one's going to go here, one's going to go there. So the string is here so we can know how deep it has to be so it can all be equal. So this mark right here helps me determine how deep the hole needs to go by measuring it up with the string and this. So over here it started off like this deep, and I had to dig all the way, all of this, to make it this deep. And this part over here is much easier because it's already this as deep as it needs to be. It's important because it makes the whole garden level. So all of our materials we are using are recycled except for the 8 nails we are putting on the pallets, or what used to be the pallets. These planks used to be recycled pallets that we found. So now I'm going to finish the rest of this hole so both the garden plots will fit in this way. Okay, I'm finished with my part. My brother has to finish with the boxes, and so each of our family members has something to do, and this is just my part. And those are Ronan's.
Connor just finished digging up that area, so now I'm gonna finish making the second box so we can put it in there. We got the first box in, so now we're gonna put the second one in, and we're gonna level it out. And we also have to go to the store to get some soil and some plants that are already have grown because we're a little late in the season.
Oh, well, that was
easy.
So what we're gonna do now is we are going to go to the plant store and buy some new soil and buy some new plants. Now, this place used to be a farm field, so we're gonna use the soil that we already dug out because the deeper we got, the nicer the soil got.
Most of the soil we're gonna be using is the old soil, but we'll still get some new. So we went to the market and we got some herbs, we got some chili peppers, we got some normal sized tomatoes, yellow cherry tomatoes. Did I say cherry peppers or chili peppers?
Chili peppers, these are.
Okay, chili peppers. Yellow peppers, red peppers, some red cherry tomatoes, and yeah. So now we're gonna prepare the soil and mix it up.
So we got the soil where we need it to be, and tomorrow we are going to put the plants in.
Today we did a lot of work. We completely filled in the top of this, and tomorrow we'll be ready to plant the vegetables in these. So this morning I was taking out some rocks and trying to make it look really nice. And also I want to tell you my plan where I want to plant each plant. That's a tongue twister. Okay, so these two are going to be my yellow cherry tomatoes. These two are going to be my red cherry tomatoes. These two are going to be the two herbs. And these are just going to be the normal tomatoes. I'm going to like maybe make a line or something with wild onions. Then I'll have the yellow peppers, the red peppers, and then the chili peppers. And I also put the shortest plants in the front and the tallest ones in the back. The reason we put this up is like a scarecrow to scare off birds from our vegetables and also for decoration. Since each member of my family has to do work on this vegetable garden, my mom made this fence and also helped with shopping. So I'm going to put this in with my homemade hammer now. This is also recycled. Wow. This is gonna wrap up the video for you guys. Me and Connor both enjoyed creating this vegetable garden, even though it was a lot of work, but we also learned a lot of new things about gardening. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we also hope this was helpful for you to make your own vegetable garden or any type of garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you would like to see next. And goodbye.